I look crazy right now, but wait. Hold on. I'm not done yet.
Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, whatever. Welcome back to my channel. So today, well, not today, but like right now, I'm just taking out my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video. Probably like a transformation video or something like. My bad. Somebody was calling me. I just declined it, but it was my sister. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but basically y'all just gonna watch me transform again, I guess. I don't know. Dang, I look crazy. But I'm about to take out my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair. Then Tuesday, I'm gonna go. Then on Tuesday, I'm gonna go get my hair done. My best friend's gonna do my hair. And then Wednesday, I'm gonna get my nails done. Whatever. And I'm basically getting all cute because it's my best friend's birthday. We're gonna be celebrating. We'll have the hotel thing. It's gonna be cute. So I might vlog that. I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, y'all just gonna watch me transform. This is me taking out the hair. My hair looks crazy. It's really dry and stuff, but it's alright. Like, I could look crazy right now because by the end of this video, I'm gonna be cute. So it's alright. Sorry for the lighting. It's kind of dark. It's raining outside. Beautiful weather. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but just know that I will be transforming. I look crazy right now, but wait. Hold on. I'm not done yet. But yeah, so I don't know when I'm gonna come back. Maybe I'm gonna come back when I'm doing my hair or my nails or something. I would show y'all like me washing my hair and getting it ready to go under a wig. But that's a whole different video for a whole nother time, baby. I'm gonna take this hair out, wash my hair, and I'll come back to y'all when I'm getting my hair done. So basically, the wig that I'm using is 24 inches. It's just a black wig, 13x6 that I'm getting installed on my head. Right now, I have it sitting in some silicone mix. I'm gonna insert a picture here of what silicone mix is. If your wig is dry, baby girl, put her in silicone mix for like 2 days. Take her out, brand new. Unless she's like well overdue, like dead. But silicone mix will still work. Bring her back to life a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. I wore her one other time. I had her installed for like a week. But I want to give her another try, another go. Because she was a good wig. So gonna install that. So yeah, I have her sitting in silicone mix. I guess I'll record me like washing it out, getting her ready to get installed, stuff like that. But if y'all want a video on how I like get my wigs ready to be installed again, I can do that. And so yeah, I'm gonna just go back to taking my hair out. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Why is it so close? I don't know. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Like, I am so sorry. I forgot about the vlog. I knew this was gonna happen. My lips are mad dry. I just woke up. It's like 10 something. And I forgot. But yeah, y'all, I'm so sorry. I forgot about y'all. My bad. I'm gonna come to the window. Just making mad noise for no reason. But yeah, I'm sorry. My bad, my fault. But anyway, so I did my hair yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all how my hair looks. I wish I had the process. I'm so mad that I forgot. But I did my hair. It's real cute. I'll insert some pics. I guess, or I might wait till the end. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all my hair eventually. But anyway, today I'm gonna go do my nails. I'm really gonna try my best to record my whole nail process, but I'm already running late for my appointment. She lives close by, but I still have to, it's still a bit of a walk, so I'm gonna try my best to hurry up, take a shower. It's like 12:13. I'm planning to leave my house at like 12:30 so I can get there by 1 o'clock. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm about to go take the quickest shower of my life, pack my bags, because right after this I'm going to class, because you know I'm a scholar. So yeah, so right after this I'm about to go to class, and then yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all. The next time y'all gonna see me is when we're on our way to my best friend's hotel. I'm gonna also be filming a vlog of like my best friend's birthday weekend. It's gonna be lit, so look out for that vlog also. But this is just me getting ready for it, and then y'all are gonna see the separate vlog. But like me getting cute and everything, it's gonna be me dressed up for her birthday, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking because I gotta hurry up. So I'm about to take a shower, and then I'll see y'all when I get to the nail salon. Hey guys, so I'm walking to the nail salon. I'm out of breath because I'm walking up a hill. But I'm walking to the nail salon. I'm gonna start recording when I get there. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, hey guys, so it's been like 2 days. I did my nails yesterday, so it's been like a whole day, and I never got back to y'all about my whole nail situation. But here are my nails. Y'all got a better picture. Y'all got a better picture of what it looks like in like the last couple clips and all that. Feel me? My nail tech is elite. Like, she's elite. We go way back. We was cool in high school, you know, whatever. Like, we're in my I'm in my third year of college, about to be in my fourth year, my last year. And I've known her in high school. She was always cool. Her nails used to always be on fleek. Like, I can't even lie. So now she's a nail tech, and her work is amazing, period. So I'm gonna link all of her information down below. I'm gonna put up on the screen. I'm gonna scroll through some of her work just so y'all can see, because her work is amazing. So make sure y'all go follow her on Instagram. She also has a YouTube page. I'm gonna tag all of that down below. She has YouTube videos, so if you want to get as good as her, she has videos, so go watch some videos. And we're gonna be working together a lot. I love the way she does nails, so yeah, just go support your girl, right? All right, so now I'm also filming another vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging my best friend's birthday weekend. I don't know how that's gonna go, but watch that vlog to find out. But yeah, so right now I'm about to start packing for that. And yeah, I'm gonna try to make it as good as possible. My room is kind of messy right now because I got a lot going on. But yeah, it's kind of messy in here, but it's okay. I'm gonna still record because we're all human, okay? We make messes sometimes. But yeah, so I'm not gonna end this video until I'm all cute and dolled up and y'all see the end result of me becoming cute. But I'm about to go start the new video right now. So if y'all see me in the same setting, know that's why, okay? Alright, so I'll see y'all when I decide to come back to this vlog. Oh, also, I'm about to go shave my legs. I'm gonna pack, then I'm gonna shave my legs. I'm gonna exfoliate and all that. I'm not gonna show y'all that because the way everything is set up, I don't have the proper equipment. Well, I do, but like I don't want to do all of that. So just know I'm gonna shave my legs and exfoliate and all of that, okay? Paint my toes. Ooh, I have to paint my toes. I'm not getting my toes done when I'm wearing sneakers. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, so I don't know. I forgot what to record next, but just look out for more. I'll see y'all in the next clip, whatever it is. All right, y'all. So this is like, what are we? Today's the 9th. Today is Sunday. Don't mind my YouTube videos talking in the back. Focus on me. Okay, focus on me. I can't find my remote, but focus on me, my voice. But this is the end of the video. I'm gonna insert clips of how cute I looked at the end because I forgot to end this vlog. So sorry about it. My bad. I'm getting used I'm getting used to this whole vlogging thing. Okay, I'm trying to get into the whole gist of it, but my bad, my fault. I'm sorry. But anywho, yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing another one of these vlogs real soon. Maybe like the next time I do my nails and my hair and stuff like that. I don't know, but we will see. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.